John Lennon once said, "Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans." Surely he was right. As an TV crew, we went to Chinoy looking for this man. We met him sometime this year, and by God's grace, we had an opportunity to help him with the little we have. We listened to his story. This man stole our hearts. He said his wife died long ago. Even his children, they died. In his own words, he said,
shame.
After hours of search, we finally found his house. The Saint TV crew wanted to shower this man with gifts. These gifts were from an anonymous sponsor. Sadly, we could not find him at his house. People around knew him as someone who do peace jobs. As they described his character, they said, Cuthbert Kapuyanyika is a very humble man. We love him, but it's been 5 days we haven't seen him. As you can see, the doors are locked. Blessed are the hands that give, and as Saint TV crew, we thrive to put a smile on everyone's face. People of the internet, I've been your host on my period. From Uncle Saint and Saint TV crew, for now we say much love.